Good morning, friends. For our morning bin today, we are going to do a color by code. So I'm going to look, and anytime I see a mixing bowl, I'm going to color it blue. So the big sky is blue. The ocean is too. Hi ho, did you know BLUE spells blue? If I see a spatula, a scraper, I'm going to color it R-E-D, red, R-E-D, red. I can spell red. I can spell red. Fire trucks are red. Stop signs are red too. R-E-D, R-E-D. If I see a spoon, I'm going to color it black. B-L-A-C-K, B-L-A-C-K. Black. And then if I see an oven mitt, I'm going to color it orange. Oranges are always orange. Pumpkins are always orange. Carrots are always orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. All right, my friends. So then I'm going to look down here, and if I see a bowl, like I said, we're going to color it blue. Now, as a reminder, you might not have the same exact sheet as me, so you can do your color by the code. All right, friends. Have fun, and Mrs. Newlands and I will see you soon.